Magandang araw po. Ang ating report ay tungkol sa cancer in computer emergency technology and the internet of this o cloth. Ipinapakita namin kung paanong ginagamit ng mga teknolohiya ito sa larangan ng industrial technology, pati na rin ang mga karera ng konektado dito. Para sa background ng topic, ang computer embedded technologies at cloth na ay napakahalaga na ngayon sa moderno industrial dahil sa mga teknolohiya ito ay nagiging mas mabilis, na mas impelyente at mas automated ang mga proseso sa mga pabrika at iba pang industrial setting. Narito naman ang ilang cancer paths na may malaki ambag sa industrial technology. Ang automation o PLC programmer ang nagpo-program ng robotic at production machines. Ang system analyst na ang nagdedesisyon ng digital workflow para mas mapadali ang operation. Ang industrial network technician ang nagse-set up at nagme-maintain ng network at sensor. Ang data analysis naman ay nag-aaral ng machine at data para mapababa ang downtime at mapataas ang efficiency. Makita natin ng halos lahat na ito ay umaasa ng computer skill. Ito naman ang totoong halimbawa ng industrial. Merong smart monitoring na gumagamit ng robotic at accessibility line. May mga food processing plant na umaasa na sa sensor para sa quality control. May mga pabrika na gumagamit ng cloud dashboard para i-monitor ang kondisyon ng makina. At sa warehouse load tracking system ang ginagamit para sa automated inventory. Sa emergency technologies naman, ang industrial 4.0 ang nagdurugtong sa machine at digital system.
What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is the integration of many emerging technologies that collect and leverage industrial big data to drive manufacturing and supply chain automation, provide real-time insights, and close communication feedback loops for faster decision-making in the manufacturing process. The next stage of factory automation is only possible if an organization's cyber-physical systems create and collect high-fidelity data, automatically analyze it, and pass relevant information to the right machine or person at the right time. With this level of big data connectivity and intelligence, factories, plants, warehouses, and machines can be fully automated.
Gumagamit ang mga kumpanya ng AI para sa predictive na marketing at effection.
Welcome back to Technology Buzz. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword anymore. Think back to the sci-fi classics that painted AI as a distant dream. Well, the future is now, and AI is not just a concept from the movies, it's a transformative force reshaping our reality. It's transforming industries and shaping the way we live and work. Let's explore the latest breakthroughs and applications across the board. First stop, healthcare. AI is making waves with innovations like personalized medicine, predictive analytics, and even assisting in complex surgeries. Imagine a future where AI enhances patient care and saves lives. AI algorithms are not just assisting doctors, but becoming invaluable partners, diagnosing diseases.
Robotic at automation ang tumutulong sa mas ligtas at mapabilis ng trabaho.
We are currently in the early stages of the fourth industrial revolution, referred to as Industry 4.0. This is the phase of cyber-physical transformation of manufacturing. An exemplification of Industry 4.0 is smart manufacturing. Smart manufacturing illustrates the need for technology to mitigate risk, open up new opportunities, and remain competitive. A recent study shows that the top investment in smart manufacturing is process automation, with a whopping 63% already invested. In order to properly use smart manufacturing within process automation, we must integrate IT and OT. Vinco Automation is at the forefront of our current technological revolution. We're helping to bring IT and OT controls onto one device to help plant managers, building managers, and other OT professionals to now monitor and act on gathered data in real time to help build efficiencies and
Ang silver physical system naman ay nagko-connect ng physical machine at digital data is real time.
Did you know that cyber-physical systems are revolutionizing boutique manufacturing by integrating computer-based algorithms with physical processes? This technology allows for real-time monitoring and adjustments in manufacturing operations, enhancing efficiency, product quality, and customization options. For small business owners in the manufacturing sector, adopting cyber-physical systems means gaining a competitive edge through increased automation, precision, and adaptability, enabling them to meet specific customer demands more effectively and
Nakakatulong ang mga technologies na ito dahil pinapabilis nila ang proseso, pinabawasan ang breakdown gamit ang predictive na analytics, pinapataas ang safety gamit ang sensor, at nagiging posible ang smart factory na halos automatic ang operation. Ano naman ang LOT? Ito ay network na decentralized na nakakolekta sa internet para magtipon at mag-share ng data. Sa industrial, tinatawag ito industrial lot o IT-lot. Dito nag-uusap ang machine, sensor at control system para maging mas smart ang operation.
Whether it's objects in your home, devices that you wear, or factory equipment, the Internet of Things is everywhere. But what exactly is the Internet of Things? IoT is a network of physical devices that are able to exchange data through their embedded internet connectivity. The data from these devices also provides us with insight and control of business operations, making our lives and businesses more efficient.
Just everything. It's going to be your clothes, your shoes, your car, your house, the shops. All the products that you take for granted will be able to pass data between them.
IoT is a fantastic opportunity for us to make the environment smarter, to put sensors into places where we don't really want to put humans, or it may be expensive or dangerous.
The industrial IoT made great inroads into the use cases that were relevant for manufacturing, for the supply chain, and we're now seeing IoT really coming to the fore.
IoT offers great consumer and enterprise opportunity for us to actually get much more precise measurements and information from the world that we live in.
We've all experienced this sort of wave of products that are coming that hope to make what we do every day a little bit more seamless. Nearly every product company is making bets on connect.
Application sa industrial ay smart sensor para sa real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, automating inventory tracking, energy monitoring, at environmental monitoring tulad ng mga humidity, temperature, at pressure. Malaki ang naitutulong ng LOT, mas mataas ang productivity, mas mababa ang downtime, at mas mabilis makagawa ng tama desisyon dahil sa real-time data, pero mas challenge din tulad ng severity, mataas ng cost at pangangailangan ng mga mas advanced na technical skill. Una sa replication, nakita natin kung gaano kalaki ang naging epekto ng computing sa industrial dahil sa paggamit ng sensor, robotics, Internet of Things at data analytics. Naging mas mabilis, mas ligtas at mas implyente ang mga proseso sa iba't iba industrial. Ipinapakita nito ng napakalaga ng computing para masolusyon ang mga problema at mapabuti ang operasyon ng mga negosyo. Para naman sa ating conclusion, ang kinabukasan ng industrial technology ay papunta sa home robot na collaboration. Ibig sabihin, hindi napapalitan ng robot ang tao, kundi tinutulungan nila ang tao, ang mga robot, ang gagawa ng mga delikado, paulit-ulit o komplikado gawain habang ang tao ay nakatuon sa mas mataas ng atas ng trabaho tulad ng pagdedesisyon at pagmamonitory. Para naman sa mga pangunahin natutunan o key takeaway. Una, ang computing ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng automation na nakababawas ng pagkakamali at napapabilis ng trabaho. Ikalawa, ang LOT o Smart System ay nagbibigay ng real-time na information at control sa mga makina. Ikatlo, ang data analytics ay tumutulong sa paggawa ng tamang desisyon. Iapat, ang robotic at AI nagbibigay ng mas mataas na precision at efficiency sa operation. At sa panghuli, nakakatulong ang computer sa safety, quality control at wastong paggamit ng register.